Hello everybody, welcome back. I am joined by two little guests today because like everybody needed to sit on my lap it seems. So anyways, today we are making some blood cell dumplings. So these dumplings are made with a specific type of rice flour, which I will link down below. I'm not going to leave you hanging on trying to find that ingredient, don't worry. But they're so good and they're mixed with a raspberry and coconut sauce, which I love these so much, and they look like red blood cells, which is so cool. Oh my god. So let's get started. So first we're gonna make the dumplings. You wanna place some shiratamako flour into a bowl and gradually drizzle in some water. So shiratamako flour is a kind of rice flour, and you wanna be very sure that you're buying that kind of flour and not mochi flour or just regular rice flour, because it's a specific kind of flour. I'll link it below so that you can get it and not have anything to worry about. Then knead it with a spoon or your hands, and the dough should form into one piece and be firm enough for a piece of dough to be rolled into a ball and retain its form. And depending on the humidity of your house, you might need to add a little bit more flour, a little bit more water, but do so very, very gradually. Then dye the dough red with some food coloring. Roll the dough into little balls and then flatten them with your finger to create a red blood cell shape. I think that this is so cool. Oh, I'm so geeking out like this whole video. It's so exciting. Oh my god. Then place the dumplings into a pot of boiling water. Once they've risen to the surface, boil them for 1 minute, then pop them into a bowl of ice water. And this is going to stop them from cooking, so that'll be the perfect texture for you. Then place them on a plate lined with saran wrap while you make the syrup. So to make the syrup, place some coconut milk, some brown sugar, and raspberries into a pan and bring them to a boil. Add some red food coloring to make it look like blood. Then pour this through a cheesecloth to remove the raspberry seeds. And to serve, simply spoon the red blood cells into a bowl and then pour the blood syrup on top and you are done. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. This recipe is part of a series on my channel for my morgue theme week. So if you missed any other like medically creepy kind of recipes, make sure to check out my last few videos because there are a ton. And if you don't want to miss out on all the other videos I'm posting in October, because I'm posting like basically every day from Monday to Friday, so there's a ton, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Paddington wants a little nappy nap. But yeah, we will see you in the next video. Bye! Can you say goodbye? Treacle. Treacle. That's an angry goodbye from Treacle.